Kira will get the reward because she's the one cleaning up. Good job, Kira. Gather all the toys. Oh, yan ang mga bababait na bata. Naku, ikinalat uli. Just me. Yeah, there. Come on. So put it back in the bin. Come on. Dali na. Kamu, kalilinis lang ng bahay natin eh. Ayan na naman kayo eh. Mia, are you helping? Mia? You better help cleaning up. Look at Kira, oh. Oh, nagki-clean up siya, oh. Bait talaga ni Kira, eh. Kahit tupakers yan, eh. Masipag yan. Ha? Sa clean up na kayo, dali. Mama is so tired na. You guys need to help Mama clean up, ba? Ito pa, oh. Ito pa. Mia, Kira. 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 Here's some more. Sa clean up na. Come on. Good job, girls. Wow. Malinis na ulit. Thank you, guys. Si Ate. Si Ate. Look at Ate. 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 Ay, sorry. Ate Jana? What are you drinking?
What is it called?
What are you drinking?
My favorite.
Is it good? Yeah, your mom won't let me give you that.
This is sweet. Who is me? Yeah. Oh wait, they look like milk.
Mommy, Mama. Your mom won't let me give you that.
I use it with this.
Because this girl always say, something else, something else. Stop doing that, Mia. Stop doing that. You're gonna spill it. Okay?
With ice cold from the fridge.
Say, we love Yakult. Can you say it?
So sweet. Equal. I hope you can read this. I hope you can drink it.
What are you saying?
It's so sweet.
You don't want it?
No, I said it's so sweet.
I'll give it to Mama. Sabi mo so sweet. You don't want it? Huwag mo nang alis. Don't remove the foil anymore. Naka-apron pa eh. Naka-apron pa.
Let's go drink it like this. Mama made something for you.
Sinasabi pa eh. What did Mama do for Papa?
Papa can look for it.
I steamed
This is called
oyster for Papa.
But he can find it.
Why don't you use the straw? Daldal. Daldal ng batang to. Ang daldal ng batang to. Sobrang daldal. Ito, daldal din. This one is daldal or topakers? Are you daldal or topakers?
You is Mama.
I'm daldal. You are topakers, right?
Mama, what does it have in it?
Naku, tinatanong pa kung ano ang nandito.
What does that say?
Ewan ko, di ko mabasa.
What does it say?
Water, sugar, skim milk powder, natural flavors, Bacillus caseiorota.
That's
It's manufactured here in the US.
Mama,
Thought
you're
that is-
done. Mama, you're done.
You're all done? You're all done? Naku, papungay-pungay pa ang mata eh. You're all done, Mr. Packers?
Mama, you want something else. Something else. Something else.
You want something else? Did you learn that from your sister? Something else? Are you Tupakers? Is your name Tupakers?
Yeah.
You are Tupakers, ha?
Yeah, I am.
Very Tupakers?
Yeah, I am.
Yes, you are. You are
Because she's
Tupakers.
bossing around.
She boss you around. No, that other girl is the one boss around. This one is Tupakers only. Right?
But it looks like she bossed around.
Do you boss around?
Where's the
Kira?
candle?
Kira,
Is it?
are you bossy? Do you boss them around?
Yeah, I do.
You are?
Yes, I always do that.
So don't make a mess
What
anymore.
is this?
Ha?
What is that?
Wag na kayo magmemes, ha?
What is that?
That's a candle.
What is it for?
Candle.
Mama, Mia's the one. Mia's the boss of the dessert because
I know.
Eat the top.
Mia is the
Eat the
bossy,
top or the bottom or
the teaser.
Mouse, I please.
Out of nowhere, she just gonna go sit on Kira's lap just to tease her. Kira, ha? Is your sister a teaser? Ha? Your twin sister? She's something else? Ba, walang katigil-tigil ang bibig. Cherries naman ngayon.